What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about 3 different stocks today. We're going to be going over Ultramar for number 1 Distinguished Rect Babu, MWRK for Hanan Levi, or Hanan Levy, I still don't know, and then SQ for I Am a Royster. That's the 3. Let's get into it. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to pause the music, and yeah, let's get started. So let's see here. Looking at Ultramar, moving sideways, aren't we? Just being very boring, as we have since 2021. You're at a high point here. You probably are going down. You're down 6% this month or this week already. So you're at $402. I bet we'll see 360 or thereabouts. And yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if you went a little bit lower than this low. On that note, maybe you go a little bit higher than that low too. So if you don't see 360, perhaps instead you find your low at around, let's say 380. But 380 to 360 is where I think you're going. You're at about $402 now. Absolutely, you could go lower than 360. Let's just see how you do with that though for now. As far as like any significant moves higher go, I don't know. I'm not anticipating anything soon. Maybe over the months to come you do move higher, but I'm not anticipating anything right now. You do have, it does look like you could consolidate in this range still for the rest of the year even so. But any month, who knows, man? Any month you could break out, you know, either direction. It really is hard to say. You are bullishly postured on the monthly. You are neutrally but bullishly postured on the weekly as well. You'll get overbought. You don't really like being oversold. It does look like you spend more time above the 50 than below, but it's still pretty neutral, as is the price action. So truthfully, yes, I would think that you break higher afterwards, after you're done consolidating with this little phase here. Probably up to 643, $1,000 even, stuff like that. You look fairly fine, but months of consolidating is probably what you have ahead of you. And I say that really any day now you could probably break out, but I think you will consolidate for a little while longer. So really just moving sideways. Let's look for a move down to about 360 to 380. That's Ultramar. MWRK for Hanan Levi, Metalworks platform here. Happy Memorial Day, everybody, because I'm pretty sure the stock market was closed yesterday, actually. Yep, they were not open. Weekly time frame for Metalworks platforms, right? I don't like the chart, man. I really don't like it. I don't like this at all. Low to high. 1272 hit, 618 rejected. Down you go. Down you go, my friend. Probably down to about 80% of a penny. 80% to half a cent, somewhere in that area. 0.008 to 0.005. That's where we'll see you. And hopefully you find support there. But down you go. Let's look at the daily real quick. Yeah, I think so. Down you go. WMRK. SQ for I Am a Royster. That's a great name, Royce. That's just a great name, man. That's hilarious. I feel like if I had some like college buddies, if I was in a frat, like if I had a Royster college buddy, he'd be the dude that was slamming beer cans together and pounding them, you know, like what's that guy's name? Like Stone Cold Steve Austin. That's dude, I don't know. That's I don't know why. That's just what comes to my head, man. I imagine a frat boy doing what Stone Cold Steve Austin does. Let's see. 382 finding resistance, 236 finding support, potential for like an inverse head and shoulders. The volume kind of fits even. Your next move will probably be up to 134 to 155. You're at $66 now. So yes, I think this does want to move higher. Does it want to move higher than this high? That remains to be seen. But I think 134 to 155 is on the table. Just perhaps in the more immediate terms, you do move lower first and then you move up. I would assume this next interaction with this 382, when it happens, maybe it's, you know, sometime in July, maybe it's in August, maybe it's in June. But the next time that it happens, that'll be the ignition switch to send you up to 134 to 155. I'll look at the daily just to see if it looks like you're going lower. It does. It looks like you're going lower in the immediate term. So probably around $62, 60 to $63, somewhere in that range. You're at 66 now, so not by much, but the upside is there. It's just it might take some time. It's probably going to take multiple months from here Probably in July, August, September, sometime in that time frame before you're up in that 130 to 151 whatever area. So that's all I got. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to see more. If I was interested to buy any of these three, and they're all interesting, I suppose. You know, MWRK is the one that has me interested the least. Maybe for some puts, but not for longing. This one, SQ block, this one has my attention the most. I think it'll do the best over the shortest amount of time. With that being said, Ultramar could pop off at any moment. I just think that it will probably be boring for the rest of this year, and that's okay. It just takes time sometimes. But anyways, that's all I got. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to see more. Thank you all for coming. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.